All right, so this one says, what direction must the graph of f of x, which is equal to 7 to the x, be shifted to produce g of x, which is 7 to the x plus 7? So this is literally just like the other problem. What does this do to f of x? What does that plus 7 outside the exponent do? Well, remember that y is equal to a times b raised to the x minus c plus d. A, what does a do? It compresses or it stretches depending on the value for a. B is the base, that's just the number that we continually multiply by itself. C is the horizontal shift and D is the vertical shift. So that plus 7, what variable do you think that is? What do you think this is? That's D. D equals positive 7. So what does that mean we do with the parent function? It's going to go up. It's going up because it's positive 7. Right? If that was negative 7, what would we do? Just go down. Positive means up. Negative means go down. So if it's